Okay, this is me after combing my hair, and I realized that I lost most of my hair, and it has been going on for a while now. So I decided to check, research, and then I found this particular video online, and I'm using it, and I want to get your feedback if you have used it before for your hair and how did it go. And if you have not tried it, and let's get your feedback in the comment section how your hair is right now. And if you also have something better naturally that we can use for our hair, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.
I used to koto every now and then. Oya come. Hope you have aloe vera in your house. And you have black tea. In Nigeria, the popular one we know is Lipton. You know they have green tea and black. So you can use Lipton or any other similar product. Then you get fenugreek seed, onion, and rosemary. Let me not lie. I had to go and browse the meaning of that fenugreek seed. And I discovered in Yoruba it's called Eru. In Igbo it's called Umporoka. In Hausa it's called Kimba. So I'm sure by now you know what I'm talking about. Boil them in water and use a spraying can to apply it on your hair before you apply all those your hair cream, hair oil, or treatment